This upgrade doesn't just improve power, it transforms how your car feels. Friends, at first glance, this looks like another set of NGK ignition coils. Technical, under the hood, not flashy. But look closer. This tiny kit is one of the most underrated performance upgrades for your engine. Most people ignore it until they feel the difference. It's not about bigger horsepower charts. It's about how your car responds the moment you step on the throttle. Instant throttle snap, immediate response. Feels alive. No loud modes, no obnoxious noise, just pure, smooth power delivery. That refined feel makes every drive feel premium. Traffic lights, overtakes, highway pulls, you feel the difference in every situation. Driving becomes less stressful, more fun. No complicated installs. Fits your Volkswagen or Audi 2T perfectly, DIY friendly, no mechanical drama. Misfires vanish. RPMs smooth out. Cold starts feel solid. Every corner, every road, your engine breathes real. Installing this is like finding money. No cost but gain. You save fuel, reduce wear, and drive with confidence every day.